Hello all, hope all are doing good. So now we will see NCERT Solutions Chapter 12, Colonial Cities, Urbanization, Planning and Architecture, question number 6, Subject History Class 12, explained by Sandhya M. The question is, how were urban centers transformed during the 18th century? So they are asking for the transformation of these urban centers in 18th century. Answer, urban centers were transformed during the 18th century in the following ways. With the decline of Mughal power, Delhi and Agra lost its importance. With the rise of regional power, importance of regional capitals Lucknow, Hyderabad, Seringapatam, Pune, Nagpur, Baroda and Tanjore increased. So they are telling as Mughal power declined, the importance given to Delhi and Agra got decreased. As this decreased, there was rise in regional powers like Lucknow, Hyderabad, Seringapatam, Pune, Nagpur, Baroda, and Tanjore. To all these cities, the importance was increased. Next, the changes in the network of trade also affected the transformation of urban centers. The European companies had set up trading centers at Panaji, Portuguese, Masulipatam, Dutch, Madras, British, and Pondicherry, French. As the trading activities increase, towns grow around these trading centers. By the end of 18th century, the land-based empire in Asia were replaced by sea-based European empires. So next they are telling about the transformation of the urban centers that was caused due to the network of trade. Many European companies started setting up their trading centers in our country. For example, Portuguese set up their trading company in Panaji, Dutch people in Masulipatam, British people in Madras, and French people started their trading centers in Pondicherry. So as their trading activities got increased, the importance given to those places also got increased. And so gradually, by the end of the 18th century, sea-based European empires were gaining more importance and it replaced the land-based empires. Next, commercial centers such as Surat, Masulipatam and Dhaka declined due to the expansion of the trade of the East India Company. Colonial port cities Madras, Calcutta and Bombay emerged as the new economic capitals. They also became centers of colonial administration and political power. These cities became the biggest cities in India in terms of population. What they are telling here is, as East India Company was increased further and further, cities like Surat, Masulipatam and Dhaka lost their importance, and on other hand, cities like Madras, Calcutta and Bombay were gaining importance and they emerged as a new economic capitals. They also became important centers of colonial administration and political power. As a result, people started coming and getting settled in these cities in large amount, and so these three cities also had large number of population. They became the biggest cities in India in terms of population too. Next, some local officials associated with Mughal rule in India created new urban settlements such as Qasba and Ganj. So we saw earlier this Mughal Empire got declined. So local officials who were early associated with these Mughal rule in India, they started creating a new urban settlement and they were called as Qasba or Ganj. Thank you.